Radiation therapy. Introduction. It is always possible to determine the cause of cancer in a patient. Select true or false. Correct. It may be impossible to specify the causes of cancer in an individual patient, but we do know what can cause cancer in general. Radiation therapy is always delivered by a machine outside of the body. Select true or false. Correct. Radiation therapy can be delivered outside or inside of the body. Internal delivery is called brachytherapy. Can healthy cells in the body be affected by radiation therapy? Select yes or no. Correct. Radiation therapy can affect healthy cells in the body, especially rapidly dividing cells such as the skin. The simulator is a machine that helps your healthcare provider plan the radiation treatments. Select true or false. Correct. The simulator helps the healthcare provider plan where to deliver the radiation. The side effects of radiation therapy discussed in this program are general and not specific to a certain cancer. Select true or false. Correct. The side effects discussed in this program are general. Some side effects may not apply to certain cancers. Additional side effects not mentioned are also possible. All of the side effects of radiation therapy are short-term side effects. Select true or false. Correct. Some side effects are short-term, such as itching and tiredness. Others are long-term effects, such as nerve damage and scarring. Thank you for using Explain.